Okay, so it's 10 o'clock p.m., so my goal is to do the absolute latest unboxing on release date of the iPhone 12. So, I guess we got the box here, so we'll go ahead and dig into it. Alright, seal's broken. Yeah, as far as these go, I'm always late to these, but it doesn't matter. Whatever. Wow. So, here is the little chibi small box now, since they've basically taken everything out the box. Gosh. So, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Absolutely teeny tiny. So in Apple's infinite wisdom, they're going to take out the wall brick and no, it looks like the cable's still in here. Well, they took out the wall brick, so they're saving the environment. They took out the wall brick. But oh well. So there's that. So here's the box. There we go. There we go. Is that? Wow. Wow. And they put a little white sticker on it. It's usually just a clear thing. So yeah, I kind of like the fact that it's flat, but I'm not sure if will it stand? No, it won't. Wait, it will stand. What about on the other side? Will it stand on the other side? Oh, it stands. Okay. Wow. See, that's what I like about the iPhone 4 is the fact that you could just put it there and there you go. It just stands. You just sit there, it just stands. And so back in the day when I got the iPhone 4, I was able to do a lot of like video recording and that kind of thing with it. And then the newer models came out and that option was no longer essential. But it looks like we have a USB-C cable, so Apple's finally gotten up to the time, sort of. Even though it still has the lightning connector on it, so it's still somewhat proprietary. Whatever. And we got the SIM thing there. No headphone. Okay, so there's no headphones either. Well, that's a bummer. See, now I have a complaint on this. My complaint is I don't have any USB-C bricks because all the bricks we have are regular USB. So now, regardless of which, you still have to go out and buy a freaking brick because I don't have a single brick in the house that's USB-C on this end. That's really the most bizarre thing ever, that the USB-C is on this end instead of this end. You would think that the USB-C connector would be on the phone, but it's not. It's lightning on the phone. The USB-C connector is what plugs into the brick. Wow. Okay. I have absolutely no idea. Well, I guess, essentially, I just wouldn't use this. I would just use the same lightning cable that I've been using because everything that we have is tailored to that type of connection. I don't have, this is completely useless to me. I don't have anything I can do with this. Okay. Well, enough of that. I guess let's go ahead and power on the device and see if it turns on. Oh, we do have power. Hello. Well, hello to you too. English, United States. Okay, so now that I've cut out all the setup nonsense, I'll go ahead and take a look at this. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, there's an app library. Yeah, so I purposely did not update my iPhone 11 to whatever the newest version of iOS is. Well, it's iOS 14 now. I purposely did not update it, so I don't have any idea what any of these new features are or the widgets or any of that nonsense. So one thing I will say, this is my first experience with an OLED screen, and so I'd have to say, like, the blacks are really impressively black. Like, it's almost as if the screen isn't on. I've never seen anything like that before. Wow. Wow, like with that, holy cow. Wow. Or we look at the stocks app. Wow, I mean, that's like black. But overall, yeah, I mean, it's a nice upgrade to have. I'm mostly excited about the fact that we could just do this, and it just stands. So that's pretty cool. So that'll be kind of cool to maybe utilize in the room at the desk to just set it up and be able to hit record and just let it sit there. But I guess that's all. I didn't want to really take much time on this because it's late. I actually got to get to work tonight. So I just wanted to quickly unbox this and do a quick video. Take a look at some of it, see how it feels in the hand. It's much lighter than the 11, that's for sure. It's remarkably lighter than the 11. It's much smaller too, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, I guess that's all there is. So thanks for watching and peace out.